Something tells me there's going to be a lane change right about now. Hopefully I'm wrong. Okay. Moving through. Nice, easy, big spaces. I appreciate these folks. People staying in the middle of their lanes. Tesla City. Okay, come on. There you go. Thank you, brother. Sometimes you just got to time that mirror. Alright, see this little space, work it, work it, work it. Just move that bike around if you can. Obviously, the heavier the bike, the less the bike's going to move as freely, but on this little R7, it moves like a dream. Right here is just not a good split. We got too much going on up front. What we'll do is we'll take the backside of this bus and we'll just ride alongside and see what happens. I'm staying with his mirror in sight, that way I know he can see me. Remember, if you can see a car's mirror, there's a good chance they can see you. If you cannot see a car's mirrors, they definitely cannot see you. Okay? Just gonna have to wait and make a decision. Alright, looks like we have some space. I'm not gonna rush it, it's just not smart. It's not smart to rush that. So I'd rather be patient and wait than rush to make a bad decision. And again, if you're like under the age of 30, I fully understand if you're like, just take it, you'll be fine. I get it. I was in my 20s not too long ago. But, you know, when you get a little older, you get a little wiser. And start making better decisions.